Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share you one thing with you all you guys. Whoever are looking for a job or whoever wants to make a career in a data analyst or a data engineer. So what they have to do, just they have to go in the learning.microsoft.com. There you have to go and you have to sign in first. Then you have to go for a career path. Let me show you. You have to go for a learning.microsoft.com. Then in that you have to first log in. Then after that you have to go for a career path. There you have to select whatever you want. Whoever wants to be a developer, whoever wants to be a data engineer, whoever wants to be a data scientist. So after that, if you once you selected, then you have to complete these all milestones that it will take I think 1 to 2 weeks. So after that you guys will get a certification from a Microsoft that you will be the certified Microsoft developer or data analyst or a data engineer. So if someone wants, just go and check it out.